there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'll introduce IKEA's must-check new product that you shouldn't miss during your visit. This time, we are excited to showcase highly anticipated items that many have been waiting for, as well as innovative products with impressive features you won't want to miss. Finally, the global trending IKEA item has arrived in Japan. If you live outside Japan, you might wonder why now, since it's been available elsewhere. But for some reason, it wasn't sold in Japan until now. This is a Lazy Susan for refrigerators. Have you heard of this product? It's so popular that I've heard stories of it being out of stock. I even bought mine in May from IKEA in Singapore. I've been using it for over half a year and it's so convenient. You simply attach it to the refrigerator shelf with suction cups. It's incredibly easy. The amazing part is, it doesn't just turn. It rotates with a slight shift forward. If you look in this video, you'll see that it rotates forward. Unfortunately, my fridge is a bit empty, so the spinning doesn't look that meaningful. But you can see how it shifts forward slightly as it turns, so you can make the most of the space. Here we have an IKEA Japan room setup. In the center, there's a new sofa bed prominently displayed. This sofa bed is so cute. Behind it, there are KALLAX cabinets, one of IKEA's most iconic shelves. Today, I'm introducing a long-awaited insert for KALLAX. This insert was not available in Japan before. When I posted about it on Instagram stories, I got so many DMs about it. KALLAX shelves are popular because they have so many insert options, like drawers, doors, and boxes. This time, the highlight is this divider insert. It allows you to neatly split a section into two compartments. It fits perfectly with anti-slip pads that hold it in place. Since KALLAX is square, you can also use it vertically to split the space into two sections. In some countries, they even have a version that splits it into 4 compartments. Next up, there's a new pattern for freezer bags. IKEA has released new patterns for their freezer bags, and they are absolutely adorable. These pastel-colored bags have fresh, modern designs that stand out. Not only are the patterns new, but the packaging has also been updated. Can you spot the difference? Now, the capacity labels like 1 liter are displayed on the top, making them easier to identify. However, I do think the price might have increased slightly. If you're looking for the most cost-effective option, the older sets with 2 different sizes offer better value for money. Now let's look at the paper napkins. These new napkins have spring-like patterns. The patterns are so cute. Paper napkins at IKEA are seasonal, so they change regularly. If you find one you like, be sure to grab it before it's gone. They also released this bold red and white polka dot design. It's so cute. Next, I'm introducing these adorable glasses. When I posted about this in my Instagram stories, I got so many reactions. The glasses are incredibly lightweight and easy to hold. However, they might take up a bit of storage space due to their design. Here we have a new handleless version of the glass I introduced previously. As of now, only the handleless version is listed on the USA online site. This version is also simple and sleek. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, making it very convenient. Personally, I purchased the version with a handle, and I find it incredibly lightweight and easy to use. Now let me show you this kitchen box. I found it in the kitchen section and it's so cute and practical. It's completely white with a minimalist design and I couldn't resist buying it because of how adorable it looked. At the time, it wasn't even listed online, so I had no prior information about it. But I discovered a surprising feature after purchasing it. This box comes with handles, making it easy to carry around. And here's the hidden feature. The bottom of the box can be removed. At first, you might wonder why that mattered. But since it's designed for kitchen use, this makes it incredibly easy to clean. The size is just right, making it perfect for storing hand creams or stationery in the living room. Additionally, because it's made of steel, magnets can stick to it. You could use it to hold remotes or other everyday items, keeping your living space neat and aesthetically pleasing. It's such a cute and versatile box. I think it's also handy for organizing condiments, making it easy to carry them to the dining table. On top of that, it would look adorable on a dresser, storing cosmetics or hairbrushes. The dividers make it very practical and user-friendly. Next up, IKEA released a new pine wood cart. It's very lightweight and compact, which surprised me. It's also designed to be quite compact, making it ideal for smaller spaces. The standout feature of this cart is its lockable casters. This functionality allows you to secure the cart in place, preventing unwanted movement. Interestingly, the new Roscoe cart models also come with lockable casters, which suggests that more IKEA carts might adopt this feature in the future. The raised edges on this cart make it particularly suitable for storing small items in the kitchen. Now let's compare it to SNURRAD product, a bamboo cart. The bamboo version is slightly deeper and doesn't have raised edges, which makes it more like a regular shelf. Because it's made of bamboo, it's also moisture resistant, making it an excellent choice for bathrooms or laundry rooms. You could easily use it to store towels, and the clean, natural design fits well in any room. Now let's move on to the lighting. There are so many new lamps available. First, IKEA has introduced a new color for one of their popular table lamps. The red version is especially charming and the price is very affordable. This red shade is expected to become quite popular. On the other hand, there's another table lamp featuring a more classical design. Its elegant style makes it stand out, and it's available in beautiful beige and gray-green colors. These are not only adorable, but also highly functional. What's surprising about this lamp is the lamp head can tilt not just vertically but also horizontally, making it very practical for different lighting needs. From the same series, a floor lamp has recently been released. The one displayed near the bedside is part of this collection, and purchasing the table and floor lamps together as a set would look fantastic. When the sale started, the price was 4 times higher than it is now. This shows how significant in-store discounts can be. Many of these discounts are store-specific, so visiting the store can lead to unexpected deals. Especially discontinued items are often heavily discounted, so be sure to check them out. Another standout feature in this room setup is the Besto wall-mounted storage unit. What makes it special is the lighting inside. The unit uses a push-to-open mechanism, and when opened, you'll find glasses elegantly displayed inside. This storage unit has a depth of only 22 centimeters, including the doors, making it a compact yet highly practical choice for smaller rooms. Next, I finally got to see this amazing bed in person. This is an expandable bed that starts as a single size, but can extend up to 160 centimeters in width. It's designed to be adjustable to suit different needs, making it a versatile option for any room. The bed also comes with built-in storage that can function like a side table. The top surface is perfect for keeping items like your phone or books conveniently close by. This feature seems incredibly practical and adds to the bed's functionality. Unfortunately, the display model was only shown at its narrowest width of 80 centimeters, so I couldn't see it fully expanded. Here's something fun, a waterproof speaker. Our family uses the black version, but they've now released a new blue and pink version. The blue one has pink buttons and the stripe is a blue and pink stripe. It's adorable. They are also releasing a cute pink version. Next, let me introduce this digital clock. It's incredibly affordable and comes with an alarm feature. The compact size makes it perfect for placing on bedside table or small spaces. A green version has been available for some time, but strangely, the price is different despite having the same features. I spent some time comparing the two, but I couldn't see any difference. It looked exactly the same to me. Last week, I appeared on TV as an IKEA expert. Thank you so much for all the kind comments from those who watched. Some of you even recorded it, which made me so happy. I truly appreciate all your support. Thank you. I can experience these opportunities. Now, let me share something exciting. In a short video, I briefly introduced what might be the most viral IKEA chair of 2024. A new color variant of this chair is set to be released next February. This series is a revival of designs from the 70s and 80s, featuring bold retro color schemes that really pop. Not only the chair, but also the matching shelf from this series looks like it will become incredibly popular. Isn't it just adorable? Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.